So it's no longer a rumor. Louis Vuitton price increase is going on now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Antoinette. For today's video, we're gonna talk about Louis Vuitton's price increase effective today, October 1st, 2021, here in the United States. I know that there is already a price increase all over the world, and we're gonna talk about that, what went up, what did not go up, and so forth. But before I get into that, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post videos every week about handbags. I do reviews, I do unboxings, as well as I also give you updates about your favorite luxury brand. If you're into that kind of video, if you would consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Okay, so there has been rumor that's been going on for months about price increase, and last month I did a video which it actually did not happen, but today the price increase is effective on their website. So it's going on all over the world, Australia, and I know some parts of the world already had their price increase, but here in the US it is effective today. So let me just go over with you some of the prices that went up. There is an across the board price increase from their canvas prints to their leather. So I'm just gonna mention some of the popular pieces that you guys might like or you guys might be waiting for a while. So first and foremost, let's talk about the one that I noticed that really went up in price, which is the Pochette Accessoires. So before this price increase, the Pochette Accessoires was $790 and it went up to 30% more. So now the Pochette Accessoires is $1,050, and that is US dollars. And you might wonder, you know, I've been wanting a Pochette accessoire for myself, but it's really hard to get. I mean, even on their website, you can hardly get it, or even if you contact your sales advisor, you know, it's like almost impossible to get it. So the Pochette accessoire did go up 30% from $790 to $1,050. So just want to give it out to you out there. So their Alma BB and their canvas, which was $1,480, now it went up to 10%. It went up to $1,620. The Epi leather, this was not affected by the January price increase. The Epi remains the same for a very long time. The Epi Alma BB was $1,760 or $1,780. Now it is $1,820. So the Boite Chapeau MM was $2,550. Now it is $2,770. The Speedy Bandouliere, which is then 30, was $1,680, and now it is $1,740. The Speedy Bandouliere 25, it was $1,650. Now it is $1,690. And then the Speedy 30, which also did not have a price increase on their last price increase in January, I believe it stayed for like $1,160 for the longest. Now the Speedy 30 is $1,370. And so that went up $200. And then the Speedy 25 also remains the same for a long time. Now it is $1,350, and that, you know, also went up $200. So the Felicie Pochette was $1,170, and now it is $1,240. The Palm Springs Mini, which everybody loves, it used to be $1,990. That also did not go up in price, but now it is a whopping $2,300, and that went up 16%. And then, you know, I mentioned Pochette Accessoire. It was from $790, and now it is $1,050. And for the Multipochette Accessoire, it also went up in price last January. Now it is $2,360, so that went up $300. The Mini Pochette, which was $446, now it is $540, so that went up $100, more or less. Pochette Metis, it was $2,050, and now it is $2,360. I'm not sure as far as, you know, if they're still changing that, but the Pochette Metis on their website, their monogram and their reverse monogram seems like it's the same price. It is $2,360 because usually the reverse usually is a little bit higher than the monogram, but on their website right now it is $2,360 for both. So now the Neverful that a lot of ladies like, and it's like our go-to tote, it was $1,540 for the medium. Now it is $1,690, so that went up $150. The GM, it was $1,620, and now it is $1,760. So moving on to the Noe. So the Noe bag did not go up in price, also from the last price increase. The Noe now is the Noe was $1,780. And now it is $1,880. And then the Noe BB, it was $1,340. Now it is $1,480. The Croisette was $1,790, and now it is $1,860. So let's move on to the Cans reverse monogram. It is now $2,700. Their Epi was from $2,820. It went up to $2,950. The on-the-go MM also went up in price, and the old price was $2,770. The new price is $2,840. And for the GM, for the on-the-go, it was from $2,930 to $2,970. And for the Capucine, this is their leather bag, and I'm going to show you. It's very interesting. Like, you search Capucine, you see the price, the old price, you still see it. It was $4,450 and it went up to $4,850. And the medium was $5,350. As you can see, it would magically change to the new price when you click it. And the new price for the medium Capucine is $6,100. And for the Keepall 55, for those that love the Keepall and has been putting up in getting this, the Keepall 55 was $2,100 and now it is $2,360. And the Graceful PM was $1,390. Now it is $1,550. And the MM was $1,560 and now it is $1,690. And also for the Bumbag was $1,760. Now it is for $1,900. So those are the price increase. I only covered those that are popular pieces that a lot of people like. So you're aware as far as what's the recent price increase. So far as I'm concerned, the small leather goods like the key pouch did not go up in price just yet, but I know starting to roll the new prices, and I'm not really surprised on this price increase. Chanel already had their price increase twice this year. Louis Vuitton had a massive price increase in January, and then they're rolling over some of their price increase, slowly trickling price increase as the months go by. And also I forgot to mention that the nano bags like the Nano Speedy, the Nano Noe, it hasn't changed in price just yet. So right now the nano bags are $1,300 US dollars. I know the nano bags did not go up in price in January, but it did go up like a couple months later. So I'm not really surprised if that is also going to happen later on down, you know, maybe sometime in December, that the nano bags will also go up in price. So that is all for today. What do you guys think? You know, myself, we are just really waiting for this price increase to happen, and we know that it is imminent that it's going to happen. There has been several rumors that Louis Vuitton will have a price increase. There was one last month. I even covered that and it did not happen, but unfortunately it is happening today. And so there is a price increase from $200 and up. So yeah, so that is all for today. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and you could also follow me on Instagram at alwaysantoinette. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon.